Hello, good morning to you everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can update this Google Play services manually. Usually this Google Play service updation will be automatic, means it will get updated automatically. See here, these are all the system services, these are all, and there is one update available, Google Play product service. If I want to update it manually, I can update it. Likewise, just now I updated this Google Play services. See here, it is saying like remove updates. How you can do that? It is simple, so I'll be clearing this. Okay, first of all, click on your Android phone settings, then scroll down until you find Google. See here, Google, then click on all services, scroll down until you see system services. Where is this? Here, system services. Click on the system services. Here you will see all the Google related or the Android system related services, in which one of them is Google Play services. It is saying like up to date in the sense there is no new update available. So when you click on this, if you find there is update, you can click on update, just like this app. If there is update available, you can just click on update. By if any case if you want to remove update, you can click on remove update, but this is not recommended. In another way also you can reach to this. Maybe this option is not available on your mobile due to the older versions. In another way you can access Google Play services is with click on the settings, then reach to apps, click on see all apps. At the top right, click on the three dots and click on show system, and on the search just search as play services. You will find this app. See here, as soon as I just search like play only, it is displaying Google Play services. Tap on this, and to update it, scroll to the bottom and click on app details here, and this will open the update page. See, currently there is no update showing up because my Android mobile Google Play services app is already up to date. It is updated. So I hope this video helps. If you feel this is informative, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.